guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue salt slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue salt slime. So the ingredients you guys want to make this slime recipe today is Dawn dish soap. I'm using this kind. You guys will also need salt. This is the Morton salt. This one works the best for no glue slime recipes, so it's this one. You guys will also need an airtight container. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get my airtight container out, and I'm going to get adding in my dish soap. And that looks like just enough. It's about like maybe a quarter of the way in there. And now with my mixing tool, I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Enough mixing, and now I'm going to add my salt. So for this recipe, you're only going to need a pinch of salt. You're not going to need too much, because if you add a lot of salt, it's going to melt and stuff, so you always have to do this right. So if that focuses, this is how much salt I'm adding. And then you're just going to plop that in there. You actually use a little bit more. There you go. And now you're going to mix this up. Mixing, as you can tell. And now I'm going to get my airtight container out, and I'm going to put it right there. And you're going to make sure it's all tightly sealed. And press it in so all the air gets out. And there it is. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And I'm going to check every 30 minutes, look at it, make sure it's working. And then in 2 hours I'll show you guys. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Hey guys, so you guys might be wondering why I have my gaming set on, but today's video I actually got something sent to me and I thought I would show you guys. So this really great company called Dighton sent me this amazing speaker. This is a pixelated speaker that can connect to your gaming setup, to your phone, to your iPad, to anything, and it can play music. It also has games on here, and it can also connect to your phone, so you can put whatever pixelated images that are on the app to this, like I will show you now. This is my favorite one to use on here. This is the Minecraft potion. I love Minecraft, and this is the pink potion, and it also has a charger and a USB. And it's really awesome. I love it so much. Here's the case it comes with, super sturdy, and you can store your Ditto in there. And it also comes with this bag and instructions how to use it. It also comes with a charger as well. But it's awesome. The speaker is over here, and there's also games on here. There's art and so many more things like a clock and music. But yeah, if you want to get a Ditto, check the description box down below. I've been using this for about a month now to check it out. And I love this so much. And there's a clock right now. But yeah, so let's move on to the slime recipe. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours and I just took it out, and here it is. And it's a little frozen, as you can tell. And I also added a little bit of dish soap as I went throughout the recipe, just because I saw it wasn't working too well and I wanted to make sure it worked. And here it is. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it almost fell. That looks really cool. I can tell it's still a little bit not ready. Let me pick this up. Oh my gosh. It's made slime. There's still residue of like the soap, but look at this. It made slime. That's awesome. I always knew dish soap slime worked well, with the, especially Dawn dish soap. This one worked awesome. Wow, that's really cool. It's really nice actually. It's still very sticky, as you can tell, because it's soap and it's gonna be sticky. But this worked awesome, and I really hope you guys try this out. I am going to put this back into the refrigerator though, because it's still not all the way done even after 2 hours, probably because I added more soap into it. But it worked awesome, and I hope you guys try this out. I'm going to show the rest of it on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out, I'll post it on there. I'll also post it on my YouTube story, so go check that out. But yeah, so this recipe worked amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Also, thank you so much Dighton for sponsoring this video. This speaker is really awesome, as you can tell. And Dighton is an awesome thing to add to your gaming setup, to have just for a speaker. And like, it has so many different types of things you can do with this. Like, there's games, there's art you can do. It's just a bunch of cool stuff. And even you can get the app, like I told you guys before, and you can change whatever is on there. Like, I'll show you guys that now. Like, you can get the app and you can change it from this, which is the Minecraft potion. I love the Minecraft potions. Or like, you can change it to like this love heart potion. There's a bunch of things you guys can change it to, and this app is really awesome. And look how cool it is. And it's really awesome for your gaming setup, or if you just want a speaker. And I will leave a link down below if you guys want to get it on Amazon, and also the website. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. Remember to check out more videos for no glue slime recipes. But yeah, bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you guys like this recipe, remember to leave a like down below, and also in the comments put if you tried out this recipe and if it worked for you, and if it didn't, leave some comments for me for new suggestions for new videos. Also, thank you so much Ditto for sending me this awesome speaker. I've been using this for so long, and it's amazing. And look at this really cool game it comes with too that you can use. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I love you guys so much, and check out all my social medias. Bye!